Ida for taking my daughter to the hairdressers to have her hair cut against my wife's wishes? I have a daughter Lily. Me and my wife Marie have been separated for over 5 years now and have split custody over Lily, however she prefers to stay with me. I'm not sure if it is cultural, but my wife and her family have always insisted on Lily to let her hair grow as they believe the longer your hair is, the more feminine you are and they always take pride in how long their own hair is. Lily followed as she didn't want to cause a scene. Lily's hair was going past her thighs. Lily was staying with me last weekend and when I was about to go to bed I saw her crying while brushing her hair. I asked what was wrong and it felt as if Lily was having a breakdown. She started to cry harder and told me how much she hates her hair, that it takes her hours each day to brush through them due to how thick they are and how hot and tired it makes her feel. I'm not even mentioning styling them. She also told me how she wants to dye them, but Marie would not let her do this as it would ruin her hair and is a bad taste. I hugged her and told her not to worry and I will think of something. I called my sister and explained the situation to her. She organized an appointment for the next day with her hair stylist to look at Lily's hair and do something with it. So the next day I took Lily to the hair salon, where she had her hair cut. She chose a long bob. So her hair is now just about reaching her shoulders with the rest of the hair